Roger that. Easy forward. Easy forward and right. Hold. Swimmer is at wheels. Hold. Swimmer is halfway down. Alright, he's starting to slowly pull the trail line in. There he goes. Alright, right, 5. Swimmer's 10 feet above the deck. Hold.
Holding.
Easy back. Easy back. And swimmer's on deck. Swimmer's disconnecting. Trail line is paid out. The weak link is connected. And lowering basket. Basket's at the rail.
Yeah, just wondering how many people are left on the boat.
Basket's at the wheels.
I think once we get this thick guy off, I think there's like 5 or 6 people left on the boat.
Basket's halfway down.
All right, thanks.
Basket's 10 feet above the water. Basket's 5 feet above the deck. And hold. Basket is on deck to load. And taking the load. Basket is clear of the deck. You're clear to move back and left. The trail line is on deck. The trail line is being tended. Basket's at the door. Boomy basket in. Boomy basket in. Basket is inside the cabin.
55.
And taking the load. Swimmer is clear of the deck. You are clear to move back and left.
Defense, egress is basically it's right by the big flag. Or you can come in over the...
Swimmer's at the wheels.